My name is Jensen. You can also call me by my Instagram name, Bentley Racing Fan. Um, I'm making this video because I'm so excited. I just want to show everybody. It feels like show and tell back in grade school. Um, what the Matthew Wilson, yes, the Matthew Wilson sent me in the post today. First, he messaged me on Instagram after I had posted about how M Sport unfortunately is temporarily, at least as we know, kind of withdrawing from the Intercontinental GT Challenge for the rest of 2020. Completely understandable. 2020 has been crazy. It's just, I don't know the full details, of course, and frankly, it's none of my business. But you can't do anything but honor and accept their well-being. So definitely no real frustration out of it. At the end of the day, life takes on. I'm gonna open it up for you guys, and we'll take a look at it together. Even though something bad is happening all around you, there's still good people and good human beings right next door, or in this case, across the pond. The first thing we're looking at, look at this, like I can't even talk because I'm just smiling so hard. Look at this beautiful hat, autographed. Man, this is wonderful. Look at all the autographs from all the drivers. Wow, what a shot. One of my favorite tracks as well. Paul Ricard in France. Beautiful. And that's not all. There's another. Let's look at this one. Oh, wow, what a photograph. This is going on the wall as soon as I finish this video. And the gift keeps on giving. Some more posters here. Matthew messaging me alone would have been enough to make me feel better, would have made my day better. But he went above and beyond. Not only sent me all this wonderful goodies, but here's the grand finale right here. Big reveal. Oh man, I can't even keep a straight face while filming this. Look at that. I gotta get this out of the packaging instantly. I don't even want to tear this. Look at that. We got the Bentley logo as the tape. Like, I gotta find a way to gently open this because I'll keep this. I mean, I'll put this up on the wall too. Oh, wow. Look at the reflection on it. Oh my, that is beautiful. Luxury. If this doesn't, I mean, come on. We're talking about race cars here, but look at this. It's got the Union Jack down here. Look at that. Oh, wow. Incredible. Man, just looking at this all together, Matthew sent me, is just amazing. This is something that is not expected, not required by any means of any race team, of anything at all. They don't have to do this kind of stuff. Bentley Motorsport, Matthew Wilson, any of the Bentley teams, the customer teams, they're all just so wonderful to just be a fan of, and that all it really does is just to grow my fandom even more and more. It's just, first I fell in love with the car. This one right here, back in 2014, 15, and it's grown into something so wonderful and so great, and I've had so many great memories that when I'm 80 years old looking back on my life, I'll be able to tell my kids about Bentley and about the sound of the thunder as they go by, and everybody on the team, how they're just so happy, and the guys who load up the trucks, working on the cars, everything in between, they're superheroes to me. So for them to even give me the time of day, let alone this, is just incredible. A lot of the team drivers, Jordan, Jules, Andy, Rebecca, everybody who helped me get to California to see the thunder in person, that would have been enough. I could have died happy that day, but fortunately, I just continue to get blessed by not only these guys, but life in general. I can't imagine, being a fan of any other race car, because I bet you dang well if you tried to contact any Mercedes teams or Ferraris, they won't do this for you. This is the customer service. This is the sheer compassion and just the brotherhood that Bentley and Bentley Motorsport have for their fans. I really could go on and on listing off people who have helped me, who have just been nice to me. If you've so much as just followed or even liked a post on my Bentley Racing fan page, you have contributed a smile on my face. But I'll go ahead and wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. I am Bentley Racing Fan. Give me a follow on Instagram if you're ever on it. We all like the same thing. We all like this beautiful race car right here, and we hope to see it for years to come. So thanks for watching.